Verde, an archipelago at the crossroads of three continents, marks an important milestone in its assertion as a platform for interconnection with the world. Elelink has arrived in Cabo Verde to revolutionize electronic communication in the country. As a private-owned, state-of-the-art fiber optic submarine cable, the Elelink system is designed to meet the growing demand for data and for research and development. Through a considerable investment made by Cabo Verde Telecom, our country is part of this innovative communication system that will play a key role in enhancing our status as a technological hub and in the digital economy. The cable, which connects Latin America to Europe via Cabo Verde, provides Cabo Verde Telecom with a capacity of 12 terabytes per second. To make this project a reality, Cabo Verde Telecom invested $13 million, which the European Investment Bank finances. Being one of the most ambitious investments in connectivity ever made in Cabo Verde, it will ultimately revolutionize connectivity and electronic communication in the country. The activation of Elelink, associated with other existing and ongoing projects in the sector of electronic communication in the country, contributes to the construction of an ecosystem that will take Cabo Verde to another level of development anchored in the digital world.